What you need to get started: a 2.5mm Allen wrench, a T20 Torx driver, or an impact driver, pliers, wire cutters, and the Doodle Scrub wiring harness replacement kit. The wiring harness replacement kit includes the Doodle Scrub wiring harness, one motor ground screw, 4 cover screws, 2 wire connectors, and 1 tube of 100% silicone. Do not reuse old parts and only use parts included in this kit. First, unplug the power cord and disconnect the handle. Use a T20 Torx driver to remove the 4 base screws. Remove the carry strap. Lift the cover and set it beside the Doodle Scrub base. Use a T10 driver to remove the motor ground screw. Cut both sets of black and red wires leading from the red wire connectors. Disconnect the black and white wires leading from the Doodle Scrub cover. Remove the old wiring harness and any remaining silicone. Apply a bead of silicone to the machine base. Set the new wiring harness in the silicone as seen here. Allow 2 to 4 hours for the silicone to completely dry. Insert the red wire from the motor and the red wire from the harness into the connector and clamp down using pliers. Insert the black wire from the motor and the black wire from the harness into the connector and clamp down using pliers. Connect both green ground wires to the motor using the new motor ground screw. Connect the 2 white wires and the 2 black wires. Lower the cover onto the Doodle Scrub base. Align the carry strap and tighten the new cover screws. Finally, connect the handle and power supply and test the Doodle Scrub on a driver pad.